Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about Java flow layout. The flow layout is used to arrange the components in a line, one after another, in a flow. It is the default layout of applet or a panel. For that layout, here I just import two libraries of Java, x.swing and java.awt. Our class name here is FlowLayout. Okay. Now I just set the frame variable and then I just write my means flow layout as a method and f which is equal to new j frame. Now j button b1 which is equal to new j button, and here I just write 1. Okay. Now I just copy this button for 2, 3, 4, 5. So button number 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now here I just write f dot add, and add is the button number 1, and I just copy this button, and button number 2, 3, 4, 5. So button number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now it's time to set the flow layout. So f dot set, and set is the layout here, and layout which is equal to new means layout, and new is flow layout. And now here I just write flow layout dot right. If you want to set this flow layout right or left or any of the position, so you can set it by self. So I just set the flow layout for the right alignment, and f dot set size, and the size of my window is 300x300, and f dot set visible, the visible is true. Now I just set the main method, so public static void main and then string arguments. Okay, now new, and here the flow layout I just paste, means it's a new and then flow layout, and our code is complete here, and I just check the flow layout. As I told you that the flow layout is used to arrange the components in the line only, means one after another. So you can see the example here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the flow layout in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.